To the people who have keyboard clicking sounds on their phone, what's your reasoning for not turning it off? My parents both have the vibration and sound on for typing because they say it feels more tactile. They can feel when they hit a letter, so it's easier for them to catch typos. So the people filming my drama TV show know I'm typing. I have a shitty phone, sometimes I type too fast and it causes the phone to stall. When I'm typing and suddenly vibrations stop, I know that I need to pause so that it can process the input I've given it. I normally just keep the phone on silent so it doesn't matter. Also NGL, it's kinda satisfying, so when I turn off silent it's just a fun bonus. If I'm around other people, I silence it because I can imagine it's annoying to others. However, if I'm by myself, I keep it on because I quite enjoy the sound.